How to fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs. If you're facing this issue on ElevenLabs, then what you can do is click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser. Now select Settings. Once you land on your settings, select Privacy and Security. Then find the option Delete Browsing Data. Select that. Now go ahead and select Cached Images and Files. Now select the time duration. Select All Time. Now select Delete Data. Once that is done, head back, select third-party cookies. Now find the option of See All Site Data and Permissions. Click on that. From here, you want to select ElevenLabs. Go ahead and click on the search bar and then find ElevenLabs from here. Then click on this trash icon. Once you have deleted the cookies for the site, refresh the page and check if the issue is resolved. If the issue persists, you want to check your network connection and refresh the page again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.